Ruhonge rwa UTHAMI rukoretwo rugitetio ni andu aria maretha motungata ma passport kuumana na thia ya GUOKA ni kuheana motungata o undu umwe na mahaki maria makoretwo magitio niguo mundu aheo passport. Mateta maya nimo mahinyiriirie kamiti ya kumurika ihoto cia muingi kwambika uthuthuria wa kwenda kumenya niki kiraria kingi. Na thiini wa riboti iria irekereirio umuthi mathina kiondorita ni meyumiritie kuona amwe a Kenya makoretwo metereire passport ciao kwa ihinda iraya mateguciona guku na wangi makaheo passport iria mundu atarihiire kuria aingi makoretwo maihuritie passport ya page 50 na makarihira ciringi 650 no indi magacabirwo passport ya page 34 iria marihi mayo ni 4,550 na uguo aingi makorwo ni ciringi 1,500 iria matacokagirio.
Some of the complainants alleged that upon raising the issue, no efforts were made by the department.
Riboti ino ningi ni yonanitie ati namba nene ya Kenya matimenyithagio ati passport iria mundu aihuritie tiwe gucabirwo na metagirwo iri cabe. Ona thengia wa gukorwo ati mundu abatie kwamba kumenyithio na mogaruruku magekwo mitambo-ini niguo acokerio imwe cia mbeca ciaku, undu uria murugamiriri wa mihango ruhonge-ini rwa UTHAMI Charles Munyao areganite naguo.
A passport, an application can be downgraded from an A series to B series without involvement of the customer. I can promise you that's not possible.
I beg you, Mr. Munyao, can you admit you have a problem within the immigration department? Because you cannot say that you don't require policy guidelines.
Muikariri giti wa kamiti ino Florence Kajuju ne aheanite mamu ma mendekithia maria mabatie gutabanio na mitaratara iria ibatie kwarirwo niguo guthinga mianya iria ikoretwo ho, undu uria mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya ugitiri wa thiini Ngetich anyitite baru.
An audit of the NANDRA, which is the National Database and Registration Authority System, formulation of policy guidelines to formalize and standardize management of issues arising from passport application, upgrade of the e-citizen system, increase in budgetary allocation, prompt approval of procurement request for blank booklets, and continuous servicing of passport printing machines.
On behalf of the ministry, on behalf of the CS, we undertake to implement all the recommendations that you have noted. And
kuma mweri wa kenda mwaka muhituku niguo motungata ruhonge-ini ruru mambiriirie gutharara kumana na wagi wa kigina gia kuigana. Thia ya GUOKA ni gucabwo kwa mabuku ma passport o undu umwe na guthuka kwa mashini. Ndeto ikiumbũka ati kigina kiria ruhonge ruru rwathukiirwo ni mbunge ya 12 niguo gutangikira mathina maya ni matunyukithirio na gikierekerio mwena ungi.
If there are systemic challenges within the immigration department, then those immigration challenges cannot and should not be transferred to Kenyans. I guess maybe you should have come to complain to the ombudsman if someone, as you say, took the money of the immigration department.